I wish to invite the attention of the House to certain procedural aspects. First, the Election Commission of India is an autonomous constitutional authority under Article 324 of the Constitution of India. Consequently, its day-to-day functioning is not primarily the concern of the Government of India. Secondly, I wish to refer to Rule 238 Class 5 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States, which states that a member while speaking shall not reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in proper terms. Finally, I would like to remind you that the matters concerning special intensive revision of electoral rolls in various states are presently sub judice and under adjudication by the Supreme Court of India. In this context, your attention is invited to Rule number 238, Section 1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Council of States, which states that a member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision is pending. Accordingly, I request all honourable members to keep these provisions in consideration while making their valuable interventions and desist from making any submissions which contravenes the same. Anything said by the members in contravention to the prescribed limitations shall not be made part of the record